Very good morning, children. Today I am going to start with a new topic, English to verb. Everyone be ready with your Sparrow Sem1 textbook and take out page number 74. Okay, children, be ready with your textbook. Children, already you have learned in English 1 common and proper noun. You know what is proper and common noun and what is noun numbers, noun genders, pronouns, adjectives. Today I am going to teach with a new topic, that is verb. What is verb? A verb is a doing word. Okay, I repeat. A verb is a doing word. It shows action. What it shows? It shows action. When you are doing something, it shows action. For example, read, sleep, play, eat, etc. I repeat, children. A verb is a doing word. It shows action. Okay, for example, read, sleep, play, eat, etc. There are some more examples in your textbook. You can take out your textbook, children. Can you see here? Mother cooks in the kitchen. So what mother is doing here? Mother cooks in the kitchen. Cooks. Can you see she is doing action? Here action word what we call as verb. Here cooks is an action word or doing word. Next, Rohit eats a banana. What Rohit is doing here? Rohit is eating banana. Here eats is a action word or a doing word. This is a verb. Next, Reena and Simran dance. So here Reena and Simran, what they are doing? Here they are dancing. So here dance is a verb or a doing word or an action word we call as a verb. Here some more examples are there. The girl is reading. What the girl is doing here? The girl is reading. Here reading is an action word. What action word we call as children? Verb. Next, Ravi is sleeping. What Ravi is doing here? Ravi is sleeping. So sleeping is an action word. So it is verb. Next, the boys are playing. What the boys are doing here? The boys are playing. Here playing is an doing word or action. So it is a verb. Children, will do some more exercise. By doing some more exercise, you will come to know about verb. Okay? Be ready with your textbook. Okay, children? Children, are you ready with your textbook? Children, there is one more example here. Drops of water fall from the sky. Drops of water fall from the sky. Here, fall is an action word. Okay, it is a verb. Okay? Next, exercise A, page number 74. Be ready with your book, page number 74. Okay? Fill in the blanks below with the correct verbs from the box. Here they have given the option, children. By choosing option, we need to complete this exercise. Okay? All babies dash sweetly. All babies dash sweetly. What is the option here? Can you guess, children? Run or sleep? All babies sleep sweetly. So write here sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Here sleep is an action word. Next, leaves dash from trees in autumn. What will happen in autumn season, children? Leaves dash from trees in autumn. So what is the option here? See or fall? So fall. So leaves fall. F-A-L-L. Leaves fall from trees in autumn. Next, trains dash on rails. What the train what will happen? Trains dash on rails. So train will run or sleep. What is the option, children? Can you guess? So trains run. R-U-N. Run. Trains run on rails. Okay. Next. Boats dash in the river. Boats dash in the river. What is the option, children? Can you guess? Boats here or sail? sail. Boats sail. S-A-I-L. Boats sail in the river. Next, a monkey can dash a tree. A monkey can, what can do monkey on a tree? A monkey can you guess the option children? Climb or leave? Climb. A monkey can climb. C-L-I-M-B. A monkey can climb a tree. Next, bears dash in forest. Bears dash in forest. What children, what is the option? Can you guess? Live or love? I'm sorry, leave or love? Leave. Okay. L-I-V-E. Bears live in forest. Next, we dash with our ears. We dash with our ears. What will happen? We hear. H-E-A-R. We hear with our ears. Okay children. Next, shall we go to the next page? Okay. The sun dash in the east. What will happen children? The sun dash in the east. Can you guess? The sun rises. R-I-S-E-S. The sun rises in the east. We dash our country. What children, can you guess the option? We love our country. Love. L-O-V-E. We love our country. Cats can dash in the dark. Cats can dash. What? See. S-E-E. Cats can see in the dark. Okay children. You have to see the option. If you know, you can see without option also. By reading the question, you can fill this exercise. Okay children. Shall we move on to the next exercise? Okay. Match each noun in the list below with a verb one is done for you. I'll repeat children. The second main, match each nouns in the list below with a verb one is done for you. So this all nouns, this all verbs. So cocks twinkle. This is what is noun here. What is the answer here? Crow twinkle. I'm sorry children. So I'll repeat this main again children. Match each noun in the list below with a verb one is done for you. So this noun we need to match with this verb. Cocks what here? Cocks what here? Crow. Here it is crow. Next, wind what? What the wind children? Wind what here? Wind blows. Wind blows. So write here blows. B-L-O-W-S. Wind blows. Next, rain what here? Rain, can you guess children? Rain falls. Right here, rain falls. F-A-L-L-S. Falls. Next, ants what will do children? Ants crawl. Ants crawl. C-R-A-A-W-L. Next, trees, what trees will do children? Trees grow. Okay, G-R-O-W. Grow. Next, sixth one, birds what children, can you guess? Birds fly. F-L-Y. Birds fly. Next, stars what children? Stars twinkle. T-W-I-N-K-L-E. Twinkle. Moon what children? Moon what, can you guess? Moon shines. Moon shines. S-H-I-N-E-S. Next, tigers. What tigers will do children? Tigers roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. Next, ducks what children? Ducks what will do? Quack. Q-U-A-C-K. Quack. Next, cows what children? Cows moo. M-O-O. Moo. Cats what children? Cats what will do? Cats meow. M-E-W. Children, you need to match each noun with this verb. Okay. Okay, children. Shall we move on to the next main? So here already I have explained you, sometimes a verb ends in ing to show what people or things are doing. It can have more than one word. So here read. Read means the girl is reading. Ravi is sleep. Ravi is sleeping. Here at last what we added? ing. Here also you can see ing. The boys are playing. The boys are like boys are play. Here the boys are playing. Okay children, shall we move on to the next exercise? Fill in the blanks with ing form of the action words, verbs given in the bracket. Okay children, we need to add ing for all these words. Shall we start children? Okay. The boy is dash at the man. Laugh. What children we need to add here? ing. If we add ing, what will children? The word is laughing. Lauging. The boy is laughing at the man. We need to add ing at end. The horse is dash. Grass, grace. Grazing. Grazing. Okay, at last what we added? ing. Okay children, next. The puppy is dash to the hill. Go. What will happen children when we add ing? Going. Going. The puppy is going to the hill. Next. The rabbits are dash oats in the bracket eat. If we add ing, what will happen children? Eating. Eating. The girl is dash a song. Sing in the bracket. When we add ing, singing. Singing. The girl is singing a song. Next. The cat is dash milk. Drink. When we add ing, what will happen children? Drinking. Drinking. The cat is drinking milk. Next. Sita is dash in her notebook. Write. When we add ing, what will happen children? Writing. Okay. Writing. Sita is writing in her notebook. Next, my mother is dash for me. In the bracket, wait. When we add ing, waiting. Waiting. My mother is waiting for me. Okay, next. The child is dash in his room. Playing. When we add ing, playing. Playing. My mother is dash dinner. Cooking. Cooking. My mother is cooking dinner. So when we add ing, what will happen? The boy is laughing at the man. The horse is grazing grass. The puppy is going to the hill. The rabbits are eating oats. The girl is singing a song. The cat is drinking milk. Sita is writing in her notebook. My mother is waiting for me. The child is playing in his room. My mother is cooking dinner. Okay children. So next, the last main. Write whether the underlined words are noun or verb. So the underlined words we need to identify whether it is a noun or a verb. Shall we do this children? Yes. I like your computer. I like. So like is a verb. So write here verb. 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 Next. We live in a small town. Town is it's not an action word. So town is a noun. 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 They play handball. Here they are playing. They are doing action. So it is a verb. 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 Next. His friend has a pet. Here they are not doing any action. There is no action word here. Friend. So it is a noun. 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 go to bed at 9 o'clock. So you're going here. So it is an action. So verb. V-E-R-B. Verb. Next. My bedroom is upstairs. So bedroom. Bedroom is an what? It is not doing any action over here. So bedroom is an noun. N-O-U-N. Noun. Okay. Next. Let's listen to this song. So here listening. Here you are listening. No. So it's an action. So it is a verb. V-E-R-B. Verb. Sam and Tom watch TV. They are watching TV. So when you are watching, your eyes will blink. No, it's an action word. So it is a verb. V-E-R-B. Verb. They swim in a lake. So swim is what here? It is a noun. You are doing an action here. So swim is, I'm sorry children, swim is verb here. You are doing action by your hands, no? So swim is verb. V-E-R-B. Verb. I always feed my pet dog. So I always feed my pet dog. Dog is a name of an animal. Here we are not doing any action here. Dog is nothing. It's a name of an animal. So it is a noun. N-O-U-N. I hope you all have understood by doing this exercise. So you have to complete exercise A. Okay. I want you all to write neatly. Touch the line and neatly. And all the first letter in the small letter. And complete exercise B. Then go to the next page, exercise C and exercise D. I hope you all have understood this lesson. In case if you have any doubt in this children, in the exercise or in this lesson, you can ask me in the interactive session, but I will be checking this in the interactive session. I want everyone to complete this textbook exercise. Okay children, thank you.